As you see, we got the deck off. Yep, there's the Sawzall there. Why? Because this had the belt wedged in there so tight. The belt's all twisted up in there. We had to use the Sawzall to get it off, and we ended up chipping that pulley. So we're gonna have to get that repaired. Well, I should probably get back to working on this now, so. Last time I had filmed, we got this all smoothed out with the file, got all the rough edges off of it, so we're gonna put it back together. That probably wasn't good. You remember if this goes over that? Or under it? I don't remember. Great. Great. Okay. Okay, it's not supposed to go on that side like that. So we got the gearbox dropped on now, and we're gonna get the belt routed.
There we go. Another one there. Up to this one.
I don't know if this is space straight. Because as I'm pulling this one this way, it's smushing. In this one. We're gonna have to do some research. So the routing of this belt, I could not hardly find anywhere. So what it is we're looking from the forward, looking aft of the deck here. So it goes from the right-hand side of the deck, back around to here, underneath, over, around to the front pulley, and then at the front pulley it wraps around it, goes back this way on the gear case pulley, and then on this side comes around on your idler and goes back to the right-hand side. Now I have to try to figure out how to attach my tension rod to my spring. After some trials and tribulations, we got the spring installed with the good old ratchet strap. So that was fun. Might want to try that trick if you're trying it, because yeah, I don't see how else it works. So we got the mower deck back on. We went out and mowed with it.
Sorry, could you say that again?
No, Siri. So we got the mower deck back on. Went out and mowed with it. I tell you what, I like it. I like it a lot. Well, thanks for hanging out with me. And if you guys like this kind of video, hang out some more. Hit that subscribe button. Wouldn't mind having you back. Thanks and have a great day. And here's to another day of living out here.